Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you which accessories I got for my PCX 160 and how I put them on. Here goes. So first I'm going to be showing you which accessories I just put on directly, like which of them are just stickers, either stickers or those which are installed using double-sided tape. So this one is installed using double-sided tape. This one has adhesive in between. So you just stick in, you put the shield in between the two ends, like here. So there are two ends here. And then, so that's that. Then next would be this guy here. I also just put this on using double-sided tape. It comes with double-sided tape as well. It's these guys here. And this guy, I chose this one because usually when there are crashes, this guy is the part which gets hit badly. So I just put these on. I put this anti-collision sticker here and just these for aesthetics. And then aside from that, also the rim stickers. So you just put them directly on. And what else? Also the star. And what else? Okay. So we're done with that. What else here? So this also uses double-sided tape, as well as this guy here, original AHM. And this one's Marvel. And this one's Marvel. You also use double-sided tape, as well as this guy, which is also Marvel. And my favorite sticker, the Holy Shit Edition, which also uses double-sided tape. Right, so this one also uses double-sided tape, original AHM. This one also uses double-sided tape. And these guys are the anti-collision stickers in case this crashes, and this will protect these fairings from the crash. Next would be this guy here. So these guys, this is also molding. It's usually used for cars, but you can use them on motorcycles as well. And this guy is still the same, the one with the windshield. And I also got some shock covers so that it's not too hard to clean. You just installed by Velcro. Aside from that, you got the Pornhub sticker here instead of the ESP Plus thing. And then this is also original AHM, put there by double-sided tape. And the same stickers here. Same stickers there. Then I also put this little guy here because, as I noticed from the crashes that were posted, this is a part which also takes a beating. So there are a lot of scratches on this part. So this guy is quite thick and he protects this part from crashes. So that's that regarding the stickers. Next would be this axle cover. I didn't really install this myself because I didn't have the tool, so I had it done at the motorcycle shop. However, this crash guard, this one here, you can easily install it yourself. All you need to do, well, this matting is only attached here, there, using those Allen bolts, which are attached to a rubber type of what do you call it, like a spacer, which fills up the space so it doesn't come off very easily. Then so it goes over this plate for the crash guard, which is installed by, there's a hole here for the bolt, which you install on where you this is how to install this scratch guard to your PCX. Alright, so the way you put on the matting is that you use these like rubber spacers. You just insert them into the holes. Then from there, you just put the matting on. Then since there are already those rubber spacers there, then you just put the screws in and fit them right to the spacers, and that's it, all done. And by the way, just so you know, this area here at the right side of the PCX 160 is the if you open this, you'll find the coolant reservoir, so that's where you can refill the coolant every once in a while. Alright, so when replacing the brake lever, first you remove the stock lever, and then after that, this is the brake lever I got. You just put that in, and then make sure that this clip here, you hit this clip with this part here. So let's go ahead and put this in. Make sure the clip is clipped, and alright, so there. And then I just fit this in. So with this new lever, I got this kind of adapter to fit here, and then you just put the bolt that came with it, you put it through. So let me see. I just test the clip first. Alright, so it's working well. So you bolt that in, and at the bottom part, you will have these guys to clip around the this part here, which would serve as the brake lock. Then after that, you make sure that the part that hits this part would be this brake lock, this button here. So that will depend on how you adjust it. So you just adjust it to the point that it'll hit here properly, and then test it, and it should work well. And then that's for this side. For the other side, just need to remove this bolt here. It's the same bolt as the stock one. So just remove that. It's the exact same bolt as the stock. I didn't change it, anything. So let me show you how it looks like without this connected. So it's just going to be like this. Then you put that in, make sure it hits this part. That's the clip or the brake indicator. So you put that through. Right. Okay, so I'll bolt this on properly later. At least you have an idea. I showed you how it's done. Next would be so make sure you put this bolt under, and that should be the lock. So next would be the brake lever guard.
So as you can see, this is the stock bar end. It comes with this bolt. Then it's usually attached like this, and then it's just screwed on. So you just take that off, and if you're having difficulty taking this off, because it's going to be really hard to take off, just take it to the motorcycle shop. That's my advice, rather than ruining the thread on this bolt. So from there, so these are actually short levers, shorter than the usual. The reason why I chose these is that I'm planning to use these lever guards, and if these were longer, then it'll hit the lever guard. So it'll even hit now. So an example would be if I installed it like this, it might hit this part. So what I did was, when installing this, aside from choosing the shorter lever, I also put in a spacer. So I'm going to use a spacer, then just connect this through. So at least there's some space between them. Make sure that they don't hit each other. And then that's for the lever guard. And then next is for the side mirrors. So the way the side mirrors are installed, so just hold on. Make sure you buy the side mirrors which are compatible with Honda, because the threads here on both sides are different from the ones which are used on the Yamaha motorcycles. So it won't work. It might not be compatible. Just make sure you get the ones for Honda or the ones with adapters. In this case, this works perfectly with the Honda motorcycles. So you just put that on. Then on there, adjust what needs to be adjusted, and then also the same with this side. Just fold it through. So that's how the brake levers, bar ends, or lever guards are installed. And regarding this seat, I actually got this from Shopee. I didn't get it as an assembly, so I got it as the cover only. It's a genuine Honda Accessories HM, probably HM, but it says genuine Honda seat covers for PCX 160. You just get it from there, and it comes with Velcros, but my advice is that you don't use the Velcros in putting them on because it looks really ugly. So what I did is I just got you go to a shop where they change the seat covers, and then they have this gun, the tacker gun, and they'll be able to install this properly for you.
And then, so that's that. And I have a bar end side mirror here, right there. So that's a better, clearer view of the bar end side mirror. So I like this look with the bar end side mirror better. It's kind of a low profile look. So for me it looks good. It's more streamlined. And but I would need to change this because some enforcers say that it's legal, it's okay to use as long as 3 fingers would fit, which they do, but some don't. So just to be sure that I don't get caught, I don't get a violation, because I'm planning to get that 10-year driver's license, so you need to make sure there's no violation for you to get that. So yeah, because of that, I would need to remove this and install a standard side mirror, those bigger ones here, which stick out. I don't like the way they stick out, but not much we can do about that. Rules are rules. Next would be the radiator cover. So let me see. The radiator cover. Movie, excuse me, movie. Alright, so this is the radiator cover. And I also had the motor shop install this because I didn't know how to, or didn't have the tools to do so. So I might have a video of that. Let me check. What else? So aside from that, I got these life hacks, or if you want to call them that. So instead of buying really expensive thigh bolts or hang bolts, I got these guys for usually this set would be about 1,000 pesos. I got these guys for like 30 pesos a set. So that's a huge difference. They don't look that different, and the price difference is huge. So why not? And then I noticed with the PCX you don't have a place to hang your stuff, like if you buy stuff. So I got this guy from Shopee. Most of these accessories I got from either Shopee or Lazada. If you want, you could just put a comment on, ask about where I got these, and I'll share the link with you. So yeah, so this is the view. This is how it looks like. Alright, so I hope you're happy with what I showed you. I hope I was able to share some knowledge, help you out in some way, and please subscribe. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That'll be a huge help. Please. Thank you. Have a good day.